Hi guys, hallo Leute! Welcome back to another German session. Today I want to talk to you about the German sentence structure. And this is a quite complex topic, so we're going to have to divide it up into several episodes. Okay? We're going to start with the verb position in main clauses. Okay? So in main clauses, the verb is in the second position. Alright? I'm going to give you an example. Ich fahre morgen nach Berlin. Ich fahre morgen nach Berlin. Tomorrow I'm driving to Berlin. Okay? So you have ich, which is the subject of the sentence. It's in the first position. Then you have the verb fahre in the second position. And then you have the adverb morgen in the third position. Okay? The adverb in this case is a time indication. I'll give you another example. Ich habe morgen frei. Ich habe morgen frei. Which basically means tomorrow is my day off. Okay? So in general, in main clauses, the time indication is either in the first position or in the third position. So in the sentence that I just gave you, it's in the third position. Ich habe morgen frei. Morgen is in the third position. Okay? Now, you can also rotate the word morgen into the first position. So you can say, morgen habe ich frei. Tomorrow's my day off. Morgen habe ich frei. So you can see that the verb stays in the second position, but the subject moves to the third position. So basically the adverb, which is the time indication in this case, and the subject, they rotate around the verb in the main clause. So it doesn't really matter if you say, morgen habe ich frei, or ich habe morgen frei. It means the same thing. Alright? I'll give you another example. Jeden Tag jogge ich 10 Kilometer. Yeah, I wish. Jeden Tag jogge ich 10 Kilometer. So the first element, or the first position, is jeden Tag. The second position is jogge. And the third position is ich. So you can also say, ich jogge jeden Tag 15 Kilometer. So it doesn't matter if you say, jeden Tag jogge ich 15 Kilometer, or ich jogge jeden Tag 15 Kilometer. It's the same thing, okay? It's important that you keep the verb in the second position, all right? In the sentence that I just gave you, jeden Tag jogge ich 15 Kilometer, you have an element that is made up of more than one word. Jeden Tag, 2 words, okay? So this is very common. Elements in a sentence can be made up of more than one word, okay? I'll give you an example where one element is made up of 3 words, okay? Auf dem Balkon steht ein Tisch. Auf dem Balkon steht ein Tisch. So the first element of the sentence is auf dem Balkon. In den Sommerferien steht man oft im Stau. In den Sommerferien steht man oft im Stau. So, the first element of the sentence is in den Sommerferien. So when, in the summer vacation. The piece of information indicates when, right? In den Sommerferien steht man oft im Stau. So in den Sommerferien is element number 1. Steht is element number 2. Man is element number 3. Okay? Alright. You can also say, man steht in den Sommerferien oft im Stau. Man is in the first position, steht is in the second position, and in den Sommerferien is in the third position. Okay? Morgen fliegt meine Schwester nach Thailand. Morgen fliegt meine Schwester nach Thailand. The first element of the sentence is a time indication, morgen. The second element is the verb, fliegt. And the third element is meine Schwester, which is made up of 2 words, but it's still the subject, okay? So this is just to show you that the subject can be made up of more than one word, okay? Now I just want to sum up what we've learned today. So the verb in main clauses takes position number 2, okay? And the subject takes either position number 1 or position number 3. Now an adverb, like a time indication, or another piece of information like the location, can go either in the first or in the third position, okay? So it could be adverb, verb, subject, or subject, verb, adverb.